to Bible reading with Zion Wisdom. And my voice is my faith, so I share my voice with you, God, and share my voice with the people of planet Earth, God. Lightning strike! We have an exciting video of the lightning striking planet Earth, and I think that's courtesy of God, because I've got angry at God, and I called God out the window, and then I don't know how long, but not much longer later, you're gonna see in the video that all happened outside my bedroom window, and I was just like, I can't help but think God is sending me some type of answer with this, an angry answer. So we repent every day. Every day I question God, and every day I hope that I follow through with faith, with belief and faith, which is transfers into faith in God, because He's all we have. It's hope, belief, and faith. And so that's why I'm here with you today, because this is a way I can have active faith and share it with you. And your voice is important to God, and so that's why I'm singing the Psalms, and I'm just sharing it with you little by little. You know, nobody loves God but you, Lord. Nobody loves God but, oh, definitely got this wrong. There it goes, that sounds better. B major, try that. That's precious. So today we're singing Psalms chapter 18. Psalms chapter 18. 8 plus 10 equals 18. So we had a great lesson, a great song for the chief musician by David, the servant of Yahweh, who spoke to Yahweh the words of this song in the day that Yahweh delivered him from the hand of all his enemies and from the hand of Saul. He said, I love you, Yahweh. Did he say it like that? Or did he say, I love you, Yahweh, my strength. Yahweh is my rock, my fortress, and my deliverer, my God, my rock, in whom I take refuge, my shield, and the horn. Oh, I sound like a horn. Of my salvation, my high, oh, we can try that higher, high tower, I call on Yahweh, who is worthy praised. That feels good. I like that. Stretch your vocals a little bit. I'm not pushing too hard, but I'm trying a little bit. I gotta keep it down. It's so loud. You can hear it. Windows are open, everything. Not that I care that they hear it, but I don't want them to get annoyed or agitated for no reason. Because they don't know. They might not know what I'm doing. And I am saved from my enemies. The heart of death surrounded me. That's why I imagine like a cord around your neck surrounding you, the cords of death. The lords of ungodliness made me afraid. the dead. Now we have a voice scratch limitation. Surrounded me. Were around me. Voice scratch limitation. Oh, right here. Right here. We're pushing the vocal cords. It's good exercise. I'm developing with you. This is development. Me. The snares of death came on me in my distress. I called on Yahweh. Someone's gonna come shoot you. Shut up! And cry to my God. He heard my voice out of his temple. My cry before him came into his ears. Then the earth shook and trembled. The foundations also of the mountains quaked and were shaken because he was angry. Oh man. Oh. Let's try that one more time. That almost made me cry. Oh. He was. Let's take a break. He was angry. A little better. Smoke went out of his nostrils. Consuming fire came out of his mouth. Okay, guys, I'm ready to play. Okay. Coals were kindled by the fire that came out of his mouth. So he lit the coals on fire like a dragon, breathing fire out of his mouth. This is Yahweh the Dragon God. He bowed the heavens, also, and came down. Thick darkness was under his feet. He rode on a cherub and flew. This is talking about God. Psalm chapter 18. It said he rode on flying angel chariots and flew with wings. That's like a dragon, right? Coming down out of the sky, breathing fire, smoke coming out of his nostrils. Yahweh the Dragon God. Yes. He soared on the wings of the wind. He made darkness his hiding place. His pavilion around him. Darkness was a pavilion around him. Darkness of waters. Thick clouds of the skies. At the brightness before him, his thick clouds cast hailstones and coals of fire! 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 I'm trying to get higher. I'm trying to get higher. Fire! That hurts. He sent out his arrows and scattered them. He routed them with great lightning bolts. Then the channels of waters appeared. The foundations of the walls were laid bare at your rebuke. Yahweh at the blast of the breath of your nostrils. He sent from on high. He took me. He drew me out of many waters. He delivered me from my strong enemy, from those who hated me, for they were too mighty for me. They came on me in the day of my calamity, but Yahweh was my support. He brought me out also into a large place. He delivered me because he delighted in me. The end of Bible reading, Psalms chapter 18. God bless.